You spend hours filming, editing, trying to make everything perfect. At the end of the day, you post the video, and what do you get? 17 views. Meanwhile, somebody else, probably a new creator, would post a particular video, in fact, something simple, and YouTube will keep pushing that video. And you keep wondering, what exactly are you doing wrong? I'm going to show you exactly what to do to help you get views. Now, a lot of people will tell you, do not do this, do not do that. But one thing you need to understand is sometimes people tell you things based on some things that just happened on their channel, not based on what actually works on YouTube. And that's the reason you would try a thing a person says and it will not work for you, yet it works for that person's channel. YouTube will only recommend your own videos when it can actually understand what you gave it. So you need to be extremely precise. It's not everything is by luck. Sometimes it's by what you actually do on your channel. Instead of you guessing, I'm going to go into my phone and show you a particular site that you can use. Okay, so it will help boost your channel growth and help you from your scripting to your uploading. And even after you must have uploaded, I will still tell you basic things that you should do so that it can help YouTube to really recognize your videos and start to push your videos out there. But after you must have started implementing this strategy and you started getting results, do not forget to come back on my channel and give me testimony. Share your testimony. So, and if this is your first time here, hi and welcome. I'm Glory C, and on this channel I help both small and new content creators to grow their channels on YouTube by telling you mistakes you want to avoid and strategies you want to imbibe so that you can get monetized fast and the right way without copyright issues. So if this sounds like something you want for your own channel, I will encourage you to go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Like I would always say, it's free of charge. And do not forget to give us a big thumbs up on this one so it can get to a lot more people like us. With that being said, let's get into it. What you want to do is to first of all go to your browser, whether it be Google, Safari, whatever browser you use. Just go ahead and type USEO. You can see it's already there because I've tried it before. You can see USEO here. You want to just go ahead and tap on this first one. You can see that I've actually tapped on it before, so you can see it's quite different from the remaining colors. So tap on this. Now once you tap on it, you can see AI SEO tools for YouTube. It is basically a site for YouTube. It also has the app. So if you're fine with the app, just go into your Play Store or your App Store and download the app. Okay, so this is the site. So what you want to do, you can see grow and monetize your YouTube channel fast. Keywords that rank, titles and descriptions that convert, growth analytics and milestones. So you don't want to come here. What you want to do first is to come to this place where you can see these lines, these three lines here. Just tap on the three lines. Now you can see the things that it has. It has keyword generator, it has title generator, it has description generator, it has script generator. I'm going to tell you something that some people usually say on YouTube, but trust me, for my viral videos, I use that particular strategy and it works. But people usually say, oh, do not use that one, it doesn't work on YouTube. Just follow me on this video. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is your script generator. If you're not really sure of how to generate your title, you can go ahead to your title generator first. Do you understand? So let me even show you how that works. So I'll just tap on title generator. Once you tap on it, just remove this part. Come back here. So you can see AI YouTube video title generator. Craft SEO optimized video title. So it says create click-worthy SEO friendly YouTube titles in one click with YouTube's SEO AI title generator. Now note that this works for both face channels and faceless channels. So you are good to go, whichever one you are using. You can use either your phone, your laptop, whatever, your iPad. As long as it's a device that can connect to the internet, you can use it. So what's your topic? So just enter any topic you want to film on. Even if you're not sure of how you want to, craft that particular title, just put the topic. So the topic is what? Your topic can be getting 1,000 subscribers, getting 4,000 watch hours, losing weight fast, making money. Do you understand? So I'm going to put get more views on YouTube. Okay, so once I put that, I'm going to just go ahead. You can see advanced settings optional. I'm not going to go for that. I'll just tap on get titles because I want to use this for free. So you can see here title strength 85 out of 100. It's going to tell you your title strength. So you can see it search volume 25,000, competition it is high, potential views 500,000 views. So you can see it's generated. You can see get more views on YouTube, the ultimate guide, unlock YouTube views, simple strategies that work, how to get viral views on YouTube fast, 5 secrets to boost your YouTube views today, stop losing views, fix your YouTube strategy now. Now, does this look like some of the titles that I usually use on my channel? Yes or no? So what you want to do is to just copy whichever one you want. Sometimes what I do is, after I've gotten different titles, what I do is to look at maybe two titles and see how I can merge two titles into one. Do you understand? Because I want everything to be to spark curiosity. Okay, so but for the purpose of this tutorial, let me just pick one. So let me just pick how to get viral views on YouTube fast. Okay, so I'll just tap on copy. So you can see up title copied. The next thing I'm going to do, that is for your title. I just showed you that one, how to generate titles. So the next thing is what? Your script generator. See, this one is very, very important because YouTube, in case you do not know, YouTube reads transcript. That's why if you go under a particular video and scroll under the description box, you're going to see at the end, you're going to see transcript. If you tap on transcripts, you'll see that YouTube already has everything that you said in that particular video. So it is very, very important that even your script makes YouTube to understand exactly what it is your video is about. Do you understand? So this is what we are going to do. Just come over here to script generator, tap on script generator. Once you tap, just come back here and tap on display. So you can see write YouTube scripts with SEO keywords. This is very important. SEO is search engine optimization. What would make people search for a video on YouTube and that thing would make your own video pop up. That is SEO. So you can see generate engaging SEO friendly YouTube video scripts in seconds with this app, with this generator. Structure intros, hooks, CTAs, using proven high volume keywords to maximize watch time. So those of you that usually complain that, oh, you get views but you don't get subscribers, call to action is very important. That's what is known as CTA. So this script generator is going to put all of those things into our script. So it now said enter your video topic or title. So that one we already copied. Just come and paste it here. Can you see? Just paste it here and just tap on generate video script. It's going to generate it for you. So just hold on. It just takes some moment, but we're looking for something, right? So we have to wait. So you can see it here. It even broke it down into different sections for you. So even if it's a faceless channel, it will do well for you to make it easy for you. So you can see welcome to our channel today, blah blah blah. You don't need to start with welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into, you don't need to, that's what I'm showing you is a tutorial. You don't need to put that particular one. Like I've said, you don't want to always start your videos with something like that. So you can start with whether you are a building creator or an established YouTuber. There are countless strategies to skyrocket your views. So you can see it even puts hashtags for us. But section 1, understanding your audience. First things first, know your audience. Understanding who they are will help you create content they actually want to watch. And this is actually true. If you've been on this channel, if you've been on my live streams, you know that I have said this over and over again. If you don't understand who your audience is, you will not be able to give them exactly what they want. So what you can do is, in case once it generates your script, just go through your script and you can copy the scripts and take it to your notepad. Take it to your notepad, and then you can just read one section, talk about that section, read the next section, talk about the section, so that you can flow, so that you will not sound robotic. Do you understand? See, this is one key strategy I'm giving you. If you've not liked or subscribed at this point, please do that now. Okay, so what you want to do is to now go ahead and copy. So this is where I'm going to, you can see where it says generate video script. You can see the copy icon here. You can copy, or you can do what? You can just hit the download button and it's going to get downloaded into your phone. So me, I'm going to just go ahead and copy. You can see copied just by one tap. It has already copied it for you. Okay, so the next thing is to what? Go back to that 3 lines, come to description generator. Where that keyword generator is very important. I'm going to say something. So once you come to description generator, just come here. You can see enter your video title, generate video description. So you can enter that same video title and generate video description. Meanwhile, that particular script that I already copied, I'm just going to take it straight to my phone notepad, like I already said. Do you understand? So you can either use that script or you can use your video title to generate description. Most times I prefer to use, sometimes I use video title to generate description, but most times I prefer to use my video script to generate the description. So what you can do is to just copy that script into ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate a description for you. Give it a very good prompt. Okay, my prompts are for my students. Anyways, give it a very good prompt. It's going to generate very, very good description for you. Now, to the part that a lot of people have a lot of misconception on is, come back to this plate. You see your keyword generator. Guys, this is very important. Now, this keyword generator can help you to generate tags. If you go on YouTube, when you're uploading your video, there is always a section for tags. most people will tell you that do not bother including tags. Please tell me, if tags were not important, would YouTube provide that particular feature for us? If you go on your YouTube studio and look at tags, YouTube will tell you that, especially when you check your YouTube desktop version, the studio desktop version, YouTube will tell you that tags will enable YouTube to understand what your video is about. So people will tell you avoid putting tags. Why? Avoid putting something that will make YouTube understand your videos. Is that the right thing to do? That's why I said sometimes it's not everybody's information that you just follow. Immediately you just see it, you just copy and paste it to your channel. No, do what works generally for YouTube. So once you've tapped on keyword generator, just come here, put your title, and then it will help you to generate your keywords. How to get viral views fast on YouTube video? Just tap on get keywords, generate keywords. I'm going to show you another maze. Okay, so once you can see 78 out of 100, that's the keyword power for this particular one. Search volume, 45,000 people. It's high competition, so you can see it now rank all the keywords for you. This one is what? How to get views on, I think, YouTube. 92 is ranking 92. This one is ranking 88, 85, 82. This one, it will show you the ones that are not really ranking and the ones that are ranking very well. So what you can do is to select. You can either copy all. If you like everything, you can copy all, or you just go ahead to select. See, with this particular one, you will do well. So you can either copy all or you select. So let's assume you want to only select these ones that are in green, the very high ones. Just tap on them. Just tap on them. And once you are done, you just tap on copy selected. Do you understand? Just tap on copy selected, and then you go to your tag section of your YouTube. So I'm going to put up the screen record. Go to your tag section and paste it there. It will help you to understand what your video is about. Now, another trick you can use, or another thing you can use, is copy all the keywords here. Do you understand? And copy that script. Remember, that's why I told you to paste that script on a notepad. I told you that for a reason. So you want to copy everything and take them to ChatGPT, both the keywords that you've copied and the script, and tell ChatGPT to regenerate the script for you using the keywords that it gave you and the scripts you've given it. But what it should do is to now put hooks, that you should start that script with a hook. Remember, I told you that this one will start with welcoming. You can remove that first welcome and start with the other one, or you just take it to ChatGPT, and to make it easier for you, tell ChatGPT to now, using that keywords and that script you've given it, to regenerate the script for you and put the keywords in between those scripts. Not just that, it should begin the script with a hook. Not just that, in between your script, it should also add open loops and hooks in your script. Guys, this one works. This one enables for audience retention from A to Z. And when you have audience retention, your videos will be pushed out by YouTube. This is the strategy. Another thing is the way you edit your video. This one is actually a very, very key thing. The way you edit your videos matters. You can edit. If you don't know how to edit your videos or position yourself right, you might be losing views. I've seen some people that will film their videos, and I'm like, do these people even understand that only the way they film their videos, only the way they edited their videos can drive people away, can make people click off? I have some students, when I reviewed their channels, I told them these things, and once they decided to retrace their steps, they started doing very well. This is basic knowledge. Okay, so if you don't know how to shoot good videos or edit good videos, you want to sign up for my class that is coming up on the 30th of March, my video editing class. You're going to find all that you need in the description box or in the pinned comment of this particular video. If you've never even edited a video before, that one will help you. Or if you've been editing but you've just been doing it anyhow, that class will definitely help you. All right, I'll see you on my next one. Bye for now.